Logistics in Vietnam also, which is a big thing and something that you need to be thinking about, is when it comes to logistics. Okay, so I'll tell you some of the issues that I've had when it comes to logistics, and I still have them every now and then. So what tends to happen is you leave creating your shipping plan to too late, and then surprises come up when you create your shipping plan, right? So Amazon will ask you for a photo of the product and your logo on it, and UPC, and then you kind of scrambling to get that. A little bit of a hack that you can do, or I guess a bit of a tip that you can do, and it works, is if you're struggling to get your logo and UPC code or your actual product and take a photo of that, doesn't actually need to be your product. Okay, so you can just get a coffee mug. So we've had it. I haven't got the coffee mug here, but what I do sometimes, just get a coffee mug with our logo printed on it, get the UPC code beside it, take a photo of it, send it to Amazon. They accept that, even though it's not your product, right? So sometimes it's easier to do that than it is to try to find your product, put your logo on it, and it doesn't have, and you're stressing out and all that kind of jazz. So that's something to think about. But yeah, try to create a shipping plan as early as possible. And what I think shipping companies should do, and one thing that I've been consulting the company that we're working with together, is as soon as you place your inventory order, that's when we should start to think about your shipping plan, right? And start to get that created, right? So start putting all the wheels in motion. That's when we should be reaching out to your factory to find out, you know, or how big is your actual, what cubic meter it is, dimensions of your box, cartons. They should know that, right? So if they manufacture those particular products, they'll have a really good idea. And then all those wheels need to be in motion to do that. Because again, when the product is ready, you want it shipped out straight away. You don't want to add anything else that to your lead time, right? And especially sometimes it can take a month or 2 months to go through the approval process with Amazon for your listings, whatnot, to get approved, and that's really hurting your bottom dollar there. So again, that's something to avoid. How the product's packed, that's something that you guys should know. Also, sea or air, split shipping between multiple marketplaces or not, direct to Amazon or not, shipping labels, of course, and some by air, some by sea. So that's something that you can do also if you decide to, if you have a bigger product, maybe just get 5 or 10 units by air, get it into Amazon, and then start working on that, and the rest comes into sea.
That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We are a community of over 2,500 people and growing. We're the fastest growing community of e-commerce entrepreneurs right now, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. If you would like to find out more about what we do and also come and join us, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. The link for that is in the description, and I will see you on the next video. Until then, bye for now.